Good morning. I'm Joseph Crane. I'm with Ely Gold Hardy Architects, and I'm with Betty Jones with Jackson Public Schools. We have 3 electronic bids for the restroom and HVAC upgrades at Wingfield High School, JPS bid number 3229. And I will now open the first electronic bid. It is from Paul Jackson and Son Incorporated, certificate of responsibility number 01813-MC. They have surety 5% with traveler's casualty. Contractor is a resident contractor. They have marked that they are non-minority contractor ownership status. And they have indicated they have made good faith efforts to obtain MBE, WBE participation. They acknowledge receipt of 1 addendum. Base bid lump sum price, $1,568,000. 1,568,000. Bid alternate number 1 is for $104,000. 104,000. Contract time for base bid 475 days, 0 additional days for bid alternate number 1. They have included a debarment certificate and non-collusion affidavit and bid bond documents, as well as resumes for key project personnel. And those are all the documents in the first bid. The second bid is submitted by Smith's Heating and Cooling and Generators Incorporated. Certificate of responsibility number 22903-SC. They are a resident contractor. They have marked that they are non-minority ownership status. They indicate they have made good faith efforts to obtain MBE, WBE participation, and they acknowledge receipt of 1 addendum. Base bid lump sum price, $1,639,450. 1,639,450. Bid alternate 1, $111,500. 111,500. Contract time, base bid 475 days, 0 additional days for bid alternate number 1. Included is a non-collusion affidavit and debarment certificate, bid bond documentation, and that completes bid number 2. The third and final bid is from Upchurch Services, LLC, heating, air conditioning, and plumbing. Certificate of responsibility number 13634. It's 13634. They are a resident contractor, and they have indicated non-minority contractor ownership status. They have indicated they have made good faith efforts to obtain MBE, WBE participation, and they acknowledge receipt of addendum 1. Base bid lump sum price, $2,098,000. 2,098,000. Bid alternate number 1, $304,000. 304,000. Contract time for base bid 400 days, and nothing is put down for additional days for bid alternate 1. And that concludes the bid opening for restroom and HVAC upgrades for Wingfield High School, ESSER, JPS bid number 3229. Thank you for your interest.